Hi, it's Kristen. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you about a new tradition that we started this Christmas season with our kids and family members, and I'm excited to share it with you today. So this idea started because we read the book Night Tree by Eve Bunting to our children this Christmas season. It was a new book to us this year, and we really fell in love with the story, and my kids really loved the idea in it. The book tells a story of a family that goes out into the night every year and finds a particular tree in the forest that they go to every year, and they decorate it with things for the wildlife there. So things like popcorn on strings and maybe pomegranate seeds and cranberries and things like that, fruits. And so we really just fell in love with this idea. And if you've been following along, then you will know that we actually purchased 35 acres of land this year. It's something that we've been dreaming about and praying about for a really long time now. And so this was the year we finally purchased it. We don't have a home on it yet, and so we spend our weekends out there kind of working on it, cleaning it up, doing things like that. But when we're away from it, we definitely miss it. So this is kind of a story about us wishing we were on our land, that we could spend our time there this Christmas season, but we don't have a home, so we can't just yet. But we did want to just kind of spread some Christmas cheer out there to the wildlife that lives there. So join me as I tell the story and kind of share about what we made and how we went out there and decorated this tree for the wildlife. This is our first year as landowners, the land that we have prayed about for years. And while we can't spend Christmas at the land this year, we still wanted to bring some Christmas cheer to the wildlife on our land. Inspired by the book Night Tree by Eve Bunting. A beautiful new tradition was born. A tradition we hope will be carried on for generations after us. Maybe even on this very same piece of land. And even this very tree. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're going to try this fun new tradition. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.